All right, in this question, we are asked to find the line of best fit for a series of points on the coordinate plane. And then the final question is, what is the value of b when the equation of the line is in the form y equals mx+b? And it says enter your answer as a decimal. And it says use technology to do this. Well, one of the best pieces of technology you could use is a graphing calculator. So I've kind of set up an emulator to show you what that would look like. So if you have a TI-84 series of calculators or a similar calculator to that, yours will probably have the screen up above the buttons, but this is the emulator for the computer that I'm using. So what you'll do first is you'll press the Stat button, and then it will bring up this screen right here. And Edit is the first screen, and you do want to choose Edit. And to be able to do that, you would either press the 1 button and it would select it, or you could press this down key right here. So you want to press that, and then you want to select it by pressing Enter. Then you'll get this next screen. And I went ahead and entered in the data into L1 and L2. And what you should do is sort of think of L1 and L2 as the x coordinates for all those points and the y coordinates for all those points. And it may take you a minute or two to enter all those points in there, but go ahead and do that, and you can use these arrow keys right here to help you get around. I found it most easiest to enter in all the x values first, and then I went and entered in the y values. So go ahead and do that, and then once you've done that, you will press the Stat key again. So go ahead and do that. Then you're going to end up with the same screen that we saw over here. You're going to see that screen again. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press the right arrow key, which will take you from Edit to Calc. So when you press that, you'll get this menu right here, and you're going to want to either press the number 4 key, which will take you down to this LIN reg menu item, and that's actually short for linear regression. ax+b, which is the form that we want. That's actually, we want the information to plug in for those values. So you're going to want to press the right arrow key, first of all, to take you over to the Calc menu, and then go down to 4. You can do that by pressing down on this key right here, or just go to the number 4 and then press Enter. Then you're going to get this screen, and this screen basically asks you, do you want to use your L1 for the X list? And you do. And the L2 for the Y list? And you do. So you're going to want to press the down key right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times until you get to calculate. And that will kind of flash. It will flash. And then you're going to press Enter to select that. And then it will calculate those values for you based on the information that you typed in L1 and L2. And basically this right here, because the original problem asked us for the value of b shown as a decimal. Now, this particular problem did not say how to round it, but you could assume that you're going to round it to 2 decimal places, so we have our answer there. Now, if you wanted to, you could type that information into y equals, and then graph it to get a look at it.